Hello guys, today in this video I will be showing you the redirect issue. Why a lot of people are facing redirect issue in Netlify. When you are hosting a website which consists of multiple number of pages, you are facing this kind of issues. Like when you will click on about page and you will refresh, you will get page not found, but still the page is there. Because if you will go to home page and then refresh again and again, it is still there. But it will only happen at that scenario when you are in any other page and then you are refreshing, then only it will show this kind of error. So to fix this, I have made this video. This video will be helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more and more this kind of videos. So let's proceed. So you can see our basic code is there. I am assuming that you already know React basics, okay, how redirects and all work. We have three pages here, that is about, one is home page and one is contact page. So we already created three page, but it is not redirecting. So for fixing this situation, when you are creating a build, at that time what you need to do, you need to create one file name that is called as netlify.toml. The extension must be .toml and the file name must be netlify, okay, and the complete name should be netlify.toml and the case sensitiveness will be also like this, okay. Then what you need to do, you need to just cut it from here and paste it inside the build, okay. You need to paste it inside the build. Here is the build and inside this build you need to paste it. Whatever I have written here, you need to write the same exact thing. What it means basically, let me explain. I have written the redirects. From all the redirects, whatever you are getting from, just redirect to this page. Index.html will be the parent page. Search all the redirects from there and status will be 200, so that it will be a successful redirect, okay. That thing only written here, don't worry about that. Just write this 4 line and put it inside this netlify.toml file, and after that when you will upload your build, now I will upload my build again in Netlify and show you this. I'm opening Netlify. I need to log in. If you are using GitHub also, then also you can push it to the GitHub inside the build, then only it will work. See, the redirect issues is this one. I'll open this and I will deploy it manually. Site configuration deploys. I will click on the deploys, then browse to upload. Then I will upload my build folder. Whatever build is created, just I will drag it from there and put it here, so that the new build will be uploaded. Now it is saying uploading, and once the uploading is done, you can check it easily. It is completed. Now you can click on site overview and again click on your site. Then you can see, now I am going to contact, and now if I will refresh, see, it is not crashing. So our issue what we are facing is fixed. In about also it is not crashing, same for home. So our issue is fixed. You will never face this kind of error again. So please like the video, subscribe the video and share with all your friends who are interested in this kind of coding videos. That's all for today guys. Thank you for watching.